Hey, Apple fans and tech lovers! The iPhone 16 Pro is finally here, and as expected, it's packed with innovations you didn't even ask for. In today's video, we're going to dive into the features of the iPhone 16 Pro that you might not be so excited about. Yes, the ones you probably didn't want to know. So, before you rush to pre-order, let's talk about what Apple's really giving you this year. And don't forget to hit that like button if you're also feeling slightly overwhelmed by Apple's innovation overload. Let's get into it. Let's start with the design. If you thought Apple was going to introduce something radically new, think again. The iPhone 16 Pro looks suspiciously like, well, the iPhone 15, the iPhone 14, and the iPhone 13. Sure, they've given it a slightly smaller notch, which they now call a microdynamic island. But trust me, it's still an island you didn't want to visit. Apple's all about refinement these days, and apparently refining means let's make everything just 0.01% thinner. Oh, and those new colors? They've given us a groundbreaking new shade of silver grey blue. Who's excited? Battery life. We all love to talk about it, right? Apple claims the iPhone 16 Pro's battery lasts an impressive 5% longer than the previous model. Yep, that means you can now scroll through TikTok for an extra 12 minutes before scrambling for your charger. Revolutionary, isn't it? With the iPhone 16 Pro, you can now confidently take it out for a whole day, as long as you don't use the camera too much, or play any games, or stream, or, use it like a normal human being. Ah yes, the camera. Apple has upgraded the iPhone 16 Pro's camera system to a 64-megapixel triple lens setup. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. It's so smart, it's too smart. With Apple's new IntelliLens AI, the camera will now fix your photos for you, even when you don't want it to. Did you think that sunset looked perfect as it was? Too bad, because IntelliLens thinks it should be even more perfect. Expect colors to pop so hard, you'll wonder if you accidentally applied a 1980s filter. Sometimes you just want a picture of your lunch, but with the iPhone 16 Pro, your salad might end up looking like it belongs in a neon art gallery. And here's something you didn't want to know. Apple has once again tweaked the charging port. The iPhone 16 Pro comes with USB-C, finally, right? But wait. It's not the same USB-C you're used to. Apple, in all its wisdom, has introduced a proprietary version of USB-C that only works with, surprise, Apple's own expensive cables and accessories. So if you were hoping to charge your iPhone with that old USB-C charger from your laptop, think again. Your new iPhone will basically yawn at it. Next, let's talk storage. The base model starts at 128 GB, which sounds pretty good, until you realize that your 4K photos and videos are going to eat that up faster than you can say iCloud subscription. Apple knows this, of course, which is why they'll kindly offer you the 1 TB version for only an arm and a leg. Plus, the iCloud upsell will be just around the corner when you realize 128 GB won't cut it. iOS insert version on the iPhone 16 Pro introduces a whole bunch of intuitive features designed to make your life easier. But in reality, it's mostly Apple telling you how to use your phone. Smart suggestions are a big part of the new iPhone experience. Expect your phone to constantly suggest apps, send you reminders you didn't ask for, and auto-correct your perfectly fine spelling. It's like having a digital assistant you can't fire. Did you mean bring the duck? No, Apple, no one ever means that. Finally, let's talk price. The iPhone 16 Pro starts at a modest 256 GB to $1,199 and goes up to 512 GB, $1,399 and 1 TB, $1,599, depending on the storage option. So basically, you can have a phone that costs as much as a laptop, but at least you'll get to enjoy that beautiful new microdynamic island on the go, right? But hey, at least they include a charging cable this time. Progress? So, should you buy the iPhone 16 Pro? Well, if you're deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem and love the idea of owning the latest tech, then sure, go for it. But if you're someone who was hoping for groundbreaking features instead of minor tweaks and AI overreach, maybe hold off until the iPhone 17. Or wait until Apple finally releases the iPhone with no ports, no buttons and no screen, just pure imagination. That's it for today, folks. What do you think of the iPhone 16 Pro? Are these features going to make you love it or leave it? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button if you've ever been confused by Apple's innovation. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.